Good morning, students. Today we are going to conclude this polynomial structure. So write, find all the zeros of of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of its zeros are, if we know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Here one polynomial is given, that is 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. In this polynomial, highest power of x is 4. Therefore, in this x will have 4 values, we call them as zeros of the polynomial. Among those 4 values, 2 values are already given, so remaining 2 we have to find. So in the polynomial, highest power of x is 4. X will have 4 values, we call them as zeros of the polynomial. Out of 4, 2 values are given, remaining 2 we have to find. So first let us suppose p of x is equal to 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. This is a given polynomial. X will have 4 values, 2 values are already given. So given that x value is one is root 2, the other is minus root 2. Send root 2 this side, x minus root 2 is 0. Here send minus root 2 this side, x plus root 2 is 0. X minus root 2 value is 0 and x plus root 2 value is also 0. If you multiply those two, that is also 0 only. 0 into 0, 0. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So therefore we will get x square minus 2. Now using the two values given, here we got a polynomial. If this is p of x, let us suppose this is g of x. Divide the given polynomial with this. 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Let us divide with x square minus 2. X square into how much is equal to 2x to the power 4? It is 2x square. 2x square into x square is 2x to the power 4. 2x square into minus 2 is minus 4x cube. While subtracting, we will change the sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. These two you can cancel. Plus 4x cube minus 3x cube is x cube. Next term is minus 3x square. X square into how much is equal to x cube? X square into x. So x into x square is x cube. X into minus 2 is minus 2x. So here next 6x also I am taking. This is minus 3x square. 6x plus 2x is 8x. X square into how much is equal to minus 3x square? That is minus 3. So minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6.
Sir, x square also minus 4x square. 2 into 2x square, 4x square.
2x square into x square, 2x to the power 4, 2x square into minus 2, minus 4x square. 2x square into x square is 2x to the power 4. 2x square into minus 2 is minus 4x square. This is minus 3x cube. 4x square minus 3x square is x square. Now x square into how much is equal to minus 3x cube, that is minus 3x. Minus 3x into x square minus 3x cube minus 3x into minus 2 plus 6x. Here next term is plus 6x. This is x square. 6x minus 6x cancel. Next term is minus 2. Now x square into how much is equal to x square? X square into 1. So 1 into x square is x square. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. So remainder is 0. So here, using the given two values, we got a polynomial. With this polynomial, we have to divide the given polynomial. Here we got the quotient. Let us take that quotient, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let us take this quotient and factorize it. 1 into 2x square, 2x square. Now here minus 3x is there. Divide this into two parts, that is minus 2x minus x. If you add, it is minus 3x. So it is 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. In these two, you can take 2x common, so x minus 1. Here minus 1 is common, again we will get x minus 1. Here x minus 1 you can take common. So if you take x minus 1 common, inside we will get 2x minus 1. Product of two numbers 0, either first one is 0 or second one is 0. So x value is 1. This is 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the other two zeros are 1 and 1 by 2. Here, highest power of x is 4. Therefore, x will have 4 values called zeros of the polynomial. 2 values are given. Remaining 2 we have to find. With the 2 given values, in this manner if you do, we will get a polynomial. With this polynomial, you divide the given polynomial, then we will get a quotient. Take that quotient and factorize. By factorization method, we will get remaining 2 values. Like this, if 2 zeros are given, the other 2 zeros we can find. Right, next question. Obtain all the other zeros of the polynomial. Obtain all the other zeros of the polynomial. 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So here one polynomial is given, that is 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Highest power of x is 4, so x will have 4 values. Among those 4 values, 2 values are given, remaining 2 we have to find it. So let us consider the given polynomial as p of x first. P of x is equal to 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This is the given polynomial. 2 values are given for x. First one is x is equal to root 5 by 3 and second value is x is equal to minus root 5 by 3. 2 values are given. Send root 5 by 3 this side. X minus root 5 by 3 is 0. Here x plus root 5 by 3 is 0. This is 0 and this is also 0. Their product is also 0. That is x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3. Product of these two is also 0. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So it is x square minus root and square cancel. It is 5 by 3. Now take LCM. So it is 3x square minus 5 cross multiply. We will get a polynomial 3x square minus 5 is equal to 0. Here one polynomial is given. For that polynomial x is having 4 values. We call them as zeros of the polynomial. So those 2 values we will take. So given values, using these 2 values we will get a polynomial. Now divide the given polynomial with the polynomial obtained here. So let us take the given polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Divide this polynomial with 3x square minus 5. Now 3x square into how much is equal to 3x to the power 4? 3x square into x square, 3x to the power 4, x square into minus 2 minus 5x square. This is 6x cube. 5x square minus 2x square is 3x square. Now 3x square into how much is equal to 6x cube? It is 2x. 2x into 3x square, 6x cube. 2x into minus 5 minus 10x. Here next term is also minus 10x. Let us subtract. Minus, it is plus. So here 3x square is left. Next minus 5. Now 3x square into how much is equal to, we got 3x square plus 1. 1 into 3x square is 3x square. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. If you subtract, you will get 0 remainder. So here we got one quotient, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. You take that quotient and factorize it. 1 into x square. Divide this x square into 2 parts, 2 factors. On adding the 2 factors, you have to get the middle term. It is xx. If you add, it is 2x. So it is x square plus x plus 1. Here you can take x common, so we will get x plus 1. Again to get x plus 1, take 1 common. Now the factors are x plus 1, x plus 1. Product of two numbers 0, either first one is 0 or second one is 0. So we will get x value minus 1, minus 1. So already 2 values are given. Total 4 values are there. Remaining 2 values we got. So first with the given 2 values, you form a polynomial like this. Divide the given polynomial with this polynomial, then we will get a quotient. Take that quotient and factorize. We will get remaining 2 values for x. Write the third problem. Check whether x cube minus 3x plus 1 is a factor of x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Here two polynomials are given. We have to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial or not. To know whether this is the factor of this, what we have to do is we have to divide the second polynomial by first polynomial. After division, if you get zero remainder, if the remainder is zero, then it states that first one is the factor of second one. If you get other than zero, then we can say that it is not a factor. So let us divide the second polynomial x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Let us divide this with the given polynomial x cube minus 3x plus 1. We have to divide the second polynomial by first polynomial. If you get zero remainder, then it indicates that first one is the factor of second one. Now x cube into how much is equal to x to the power 5? X cube into x square. X cube into x square is x to the power 5. X square into minus 3 is minus 3x cube. X square into 1 is x square. So let us subtract, change the signs. X square minus x square cancel. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube is minus x cube. Let us take next term 3x. Now x cube into how much is equal to minus x cube? X cube into minus 1. Minus 1 into x cube minus x cube. Minus 1 into minus plus 3x. Minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1. Here we got the remainder 2. If you get the remainder other than 0, then it states that this is not a factor of this. So remainder is 2. Therefore, first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial. So first here we got remainder other than 0. If you get 0 remainder, then it indicates that first one is a factor of second one. If you get other than 0, then first one is not a factor of second one.